I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
We just got in on the plane like an hour ago and we're with some of her friends, and yeah, just spending a few days here, so I'm gonna vlog for you guys. We're waiting for our lunch because we are starving and we haven't really eaten all day, and it's around like noontime, and we're thinking about doing jet skis, so we're gonna ask if there's any availabilities to do that and kind of just hang out at the beach today, and then we have dinner plans later on. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. We are in Miami. Okay, we just got back from the beach and jet skiing. It was so much fun. You guys saw all the footage and the drone and stuff. We got a guy to take like a drone video of us on the jet ski, and it was so cool. I'm like so glad we did that. And yeah, we are back. I just showered, or we all just showered, and now we're getting ready for dinner. It's kind of later now. I think it's like 5:30. We have dinner reservations at 6:30. So we just got all ready. My OOTD for the night. Sorry, my suitcase is a mess. I just got here, obviously you guys know that, and I haven't like unpacked or anything. But jeans are from H&M. They're like really cute, kind of flare at the bottom, and they fit so nicely. I'm like so obsessed with them. And then this top is from a little boutique near my house, and it's called like Bodhi or something. I never know how to pronounce it, but it's really cute. It kind of like V's down in the front, and then it has like an open back. And then I put some makeup on, nothing too crazy, just a little bit, and then a hoop moment. My hair, I'm kind of just waiting for it to dry. I'm gonna go for the natural look tonight. Hello. Oh, hi. Walking to dinner. Cheers! This looks so good. I got the tomato pizza, so good, and a little mojito. Looking at the ocean, so pretty. Phone feet first. Hi. Hi. We are at this little hut. What is this? I don't even know.
We're in a little tiki hut.
In the middle of, I don't even know.
Miami
but
Beach.
Taking some pictures. It's really cute.
Yeah, we're like on an island.
Yeah, it is the next day. And we're gonna go to the beach or like a pool or something, figure something out, and then do dinner later. And yeah, I want to show you guys this hut. It's so cute. So we have like palm trees, the beach is over there, and then there's like, you see that guy running, there's like a path, some picnic benches, and then this hut. So adorable. It feels like you're in like Hawaii or like a jungle. It's like so cool. But yeah, just kind of hanging out, spending the day in the sun.
Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style.
Okay, outfit of the night. This top is from Zara. It has like princess sleeves, it ties right here, really cute. This skirt is from H&M, just like a hot pink little skirt. And then I put my shoes on, I'm just putting on like little heels. I put my hair in a bun because I didn't want to shower and wash it again because we're doing a sunrise like swim early tomorrow morning, so I wasn't gonna like wash it and everything because I would wash it after that. So I just kind of put it in this little top bun thing. Makeup is the same as usual, and yeah, same jewelry and everything, and I'm super excited. We're going to I forget what it's called, One Hotel in South Beach, I believe, and it's like a rooftop restaurant, and it's really pretty, the views and stuff, and I heard the food's really good, and there's like a pool, and yeah, we're gonna go hang out there, have dinner. We have reservations at 7, and I think it's like 6:15, so we have to leave soon, but I just wanted to update you guys, give you guys a little outfit of the night, and yeah. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Recommend this restaurant, hotel. It's so nice. The people, like our waitress is literally the nicest person ever. She's so cute. She's YouTube. Subscribe. I forget her name, but I'll link it. But yeah, it was so good. We got sushi. I look so pale right now. We got some sushi. Sorry, did you take a picture? Yeah. Do you want me to get out of it? Oh. Hold on 1 second. We got sushi, and yeah, it was beautiful. It's really such a nice night out. It's dark now, so sunset and everything, and literally taken so many pictures this trip. I'm gonna like put them all in this video, like just spread them out, but we've taken,
I just don't even know what to post.
There's so many. I know, I literally don't know what to post. Yeah, that's that. And I don't know what the rest of the night looks like. We might go to like a bar, club, I don't know, feel it out. We were gonna wake up early and do sunrise, but it's supposed to rain now and be cloudy, so we don't really know, but yeah. Yay! Look at her go. Right up to the DJ. No shame. No shame at all. Look at him. He's like, what? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Vanessa.
Oh, it's 11 p.m.
It's Flappy Birds.
Nuh-uh.
In the Uber.
What do you want to do? Su apartamento para un momento. Para cambiar su camiseta.
I don't know Spanish.
Y va a la cantando después.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Yo también. Senor? I don't know. Here we go. Get ready. Guys. No way. No way. Oh no. Grace. What? I go read about that. I was like the other Hi. Buenas noches. Oh my goodness. No. We don't like when you Buenas noches. Thank you. What? He was like a father figure.
He was like,
what?
he said
He was a father figure.
Oh, really?
Our Uber driver was our father figure. Yep.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm
Good morning. We're going shopping. I just got ready. We're going to like a cute outdoor shopping area, maybe go to like a coffee shop. So I wanted to look a little cute, take some pictures. I have this top from Zara on. It's so cute. It has like a big puffy princess sleeves. It's from Zara, and this like really bright, pretty blue color. And then these pants are from H&M. They're just like a cream colored, comfy shorts. Cute. Has like a tie around the waist. And then I took a shower, did my hair, and put some makeup on. And that is the look for this afternoon. And yeah, we're gonna go walk around some shops, see what there is. I think there's a Zara, which we all are obsessed with. So I think we're definitely gonna be going there. It was supposed to rain today, but the sun's kind of out. It's a little cloudier than the previous days. But yeah, I'm excited for today. Hello. It is like kind of late now. It's like 1. We all kind of like worked this morning, schoolwork, work, stuff, and yeah. I always do that.
Oh, this is not bad.
We are off to dinner now. We just got ready so quickly. We had like 20 minutes to get ready. We were at the mall for so long. I'm wearing this jacket from Zara. This dress, it's like a really long, tight dress. Super cute and comfy from H&M. These shoes, I honestly have no idea. And then my bag from Target. And we're off to dinner. There's Grace. We're off to dinner. I know, we're like in such a big rush. And are they even out of the room? I don't even know. Okay. But we are going to an Italian restaurant. I'll show you my fit in this. This is what it looks like. That's Grace's fit. I love her skirt, like the color. I love green lately.
I like
Whatever. They'll meet us down there. Yeah.
I thrifted this.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cute.
Thank you.
I love that. I love thrifting.
Can they go the other way?
No, they're definitely just not out yet. But yeah, we're going to an Italian restaurant. So excited. Love me some Italian food.
Also on the roll bar we have sushi tuna, Hawaiian lime.
Wait. Cheers to us all reuniting and meeting for the first time in Miami and to Vanessa's 21st.
Woo! Cheers!
Okay.
Yeah.
Once they come out
But
and then,
yeah.
so if you put in some wrong dishes, that's the problem.
Remember?
Woo!
Okay, wait.
Make a wish! Oh! Yay!
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Play birthday playlist. Alexa, play birthday playlist.
Wait, get our camera.
Here's a station for you based on birthday blow-up on Amazon Music.
Play louder. Alexa, play louder.
Wait, can we do this so I can do my phone? Mouse!
Happy birthday!
Woo! The birthday queen! Oh, happy birthday! Yeah! 21!
You're just a French girl enjoying your champagne.
Yes.
Oh! She's not experienced, guys.
It's sticky if it's sweet. Cheers! Happy 21st! Cheers! Love you to many more.
Woo! Happy birthday!
That's it.
Yeah, I changed.
Alexa.
All right. Well, I'll send you pictures. All right. Bye. I love you. Bye.
We wrote a list of 21 things that you have to do tonight, and you have to. You're gonna have to try to do all of them. So we want you to turn around for a second.
Getting hazed.
How do you say it? No. Close your eyes.
I can't do icing.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You're gonna ice me?
You gotta close your eyes.
Heights.
Why?
Okay. Here you go. This is your number one first thing you have to do. Turn around.
Happy birthday!
water.
Wait, look at your thing.
Yes.
Go, 21. Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this I've never done that before. Oh
Yeah, that was so like.
That was really good.
That was so good.
Here's your
Not
list.
bad at taking them, I just hate them.
We're gonna hold on to it tonight for you, but you have to do all of it.
Oh, that's very cute.
Wait, yeah.
What? When did you think of, or I remember you saying it.
You have to see this one.
No, you don't read them all yet. You can't read them all yet. You can read them throughout the night.
Don't do that.
Wait. You'll be strong if you do it.
Here, wait, hold that.
I'll do it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. Got a crush on you. That's Trinity. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love